happened while
We
you're
had an eating break. So the pizza is done now, as you can see. The lovely broccoli side and the cheese.
Yeah, I got broccoli pizza. That cheese and that broccoli and chicken.
Go ahead, Liam. Let you explain.
Wow, Chef Liam, that's great. Did you think what side is the one that you picked, Chef
The
Liam?
cheese.
No, Darvin. I doggy.
Go ahead.
A cheese pizza and
I chose the broccoli pizza.
Chef Heidi, can you wait a little bit because Chef Liam is trying to explain to us. Go ahead, Chef Liam.
I that D one. I might eat that one. Okay.
Well, Chef Liam, do you like broccoli?
No, I like that.
You like cheese? Oh, Chef Liam, don't touch the pizza, okay? Because people are going to eat that. All right, and Chef Heidi, come on into this camera screen and let us know what side is yours.
My side is the broccoli pizza with cheese and chicken.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah, and nail it.
But we're still...
Ooh, yes, Chef
still-
Liam, that smells real good.
We're going to share the pizza.
Thank you. Who are you sharing with?
You.
Oh, well, thank you.
Customers, when we open our Chef's Kitchen store. Bye. We're gonna open our Chef's Kitchen store now, so you can.
Why don't each one of y'all take a piece of your own side and show the people how good it is. Let Chef Heidi do it first.
Get the lady.
Oh, look at that. Let's look at your piece real quick. Oh, that looks lovely. Let's see what Chef Heidi.
It's delicious.
How about you, Chef Liam? Take a piece of yours. Let's see what it tastes.
Cheese pizza.
Tell the camera.
Look at that. That's cheese pizza. And I look at cheese pizza. A chicken, broccoli, and cheese pizza.
Wow, that's great. Well, I can't wait to tell your mom and dads because they are going to be so proud of y'all.
And come to our restaurant.